The S&P 500 and the Nasdaq continue upward. However, the equal-weighted S&P 500 is flatlining, while Facebook, Apple, Amazon, Microsoft, and Google now make up more than 23% of the S&P 500's market cap. The divide between equal and cap-weighted indexes shows fewer stocks have participated in the latest leg of this rally. This is an indication that we are likely at the beginning of the move into the Euphoria stage. So, let's take a look. Given the speed and steepness of the upward move in markets, this rally has been well above the average of the previous S&P 500 recoveries from other market lows. As this chart shows, the stock market's rally off the market bottom has been significantly faster than the last three recoveries. Yes, it's obvious that this recession and market recovery have little comparison in financial history. The recession and recovery are not average. And as more time passes without a new stimulus plan in place, the more this consumer-led recovery is likely to falter. And still, there are many who say there is still no obvious catalyst for a market sell-off. Well, let me give you some help. According to the San Francisco Chamber of Commerce, more than half of all storefronts in the entire city of San Francisco are no longer in business. In New York, 83% of all restaurants in the city were unable to pay their full rent last month. In the state of South Carolina, 52% of all renters are at risk of eviction. Americans now owe more than $21 billion in unpaid rent. Overall, 27% of all Americans did not make their rent or mortgage payment last month. U.S. bankruptcies are already at their highest level in 10 years and are expected to surge as we approach the end of the year. World trade plunged to the lowest levels on record during the month of June. American Airlines just announced they will be eliminating 19,000 jobs next month. 31% of U.S. workers that were brought back to work after being laid off during the early stages of this pandemic have been laid off a second time, and another 26% have been told that layoffs may be coming soon. And according to one recent survey, about half of all U.S. workers that have been laid off during this pandemic believe that their job losses are permanent. And yet, Apple is now a $2 trillion company, and Jeff Bezos is now worth more than $200 billion. Everything is awesome. And for today, that's ChewDog Charts. Thank you.